Hello students, good morning. I'm Rashmi Vadua, Assistant Professor of St. Andrew Institute of Technology and Management. Student, today's topic is FIR structure from the subject Digital Signal Processing. In last lecture, we discussed about the IIR structure and their realization with examples, that is direct form 1, direct form 2, cascade, transpose, lattice form. Now in this video, we will discuss about FIR system. Student, in last video, we discussed about the IIR system and FIR system. IIR is a infinite impulse response and FIR is a finite impulse response filters. These are the two classes of our digital filters, and the term impulse response refers to the appearance of the filter in the time domain, and the mathematical difference between FIR filter and IIR filter is the IIR filter uses some of the filters output as input. So हमने और भी ज़्यादा डिस्कस किए थे इनके differences, which one is recursive, which one is non-recursive, their differences, and after that, now I am discussing with you the structure for the realization of a discrete time system. Basically, the major factor that influence our choice of specific realization are computational complexity, memory requirement, and a finite word length effect in the computations. Structures for the FIR system in journal is described by a difference equation, that is yn is equals to summation k is equals to 0 m minus 1 bk x n minus k. जब हमने IIR सिस्टम का रियलाइजेशन किया था तो हमने वहाँ पर एक पॉइंट नोट किया था कि IIR के रियलाइजेशन के लिए हमारे पास जीरोज एंड पोल्स होने चाहिए, ठीक है. बट इन FIR रियलाइजेशन ओनली जीरोज इज रिक्वायर्ड, पोल्स एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते, पोल्स एट ओरिजिन ओनली. सो हमें यहाँ पर सिर्फ न्यूमिनेटर टर्म चाहिए, डिनोमिनेटर नहीं, बिकॉज डिनोमिनेटर गिव्स अस पोल्स, न्यूमिनेटर गिव्स अस जीरोस. फाइन. तो जब भी हम FIR की रियलाइजेशन करेंगे तो ये पॉइंट इंपॉर्टेंट हम ध्यान रखेंगे कि हमें FIR के लिए सिर्फ न्यूमिनेटर चाहिए. In general, so come to the back to the topic. In general, the equation for the FIR filter is this one: yn is equals to summation I is equals to 0 to m minus 1 k is equals to 0 to m minus 1 bk x n minus k. Or equivalently, the system is equation, we can write this system equation: hz is equals to k is equals to 0 summation m minus 1 bk z minus k. Furthermore, the unit impulse response of the FIR system is identical to the coefficient bk, and bk is what hn is equals to bn for n is equals to in between 0 and m minus 1 or a 0 otherwise. So see the direct form structure. For the direct form realization, we require this type of structure, and which follows immediately from the non-recursive difference equation given below. Yn is equals to k is equals to 0 summation m minus 1 hk into x n minus k. This is the required equation for realization of direct form structure of FIR filter. Student, this is my delay, this z inverse is my delay block, this is my adder. तो अगर हम इस इक्वेशन का रियलाइजेशन देखें तो yxn is my input, yn my output, hk is putting k is equals to 0, you will get h0 and xn, then put k is equals to 1, h1 and then xn minus k, xn minus k. तभी यहाँ एक डिले आया है. This is xn minus 2, this is xn minus 3 and so on up to h n m minus 1. This is the direct form. Now come to the cascade form. The cascade realization follows naturally system function given by equation, and it is simpler factorized into second order FIR system. So see, जब हम cascade form की बात करते हैं, your hz is equals to k is equals to 1 up to k hkz. hkz is what? The coefficients bk0 plus bk1 z inverse plus bk2 z की power -2, k is equals to 1 2 up to k. hkz is equals to c k coefficients हो जाएंगे 1 minus zk z inverse into 1 minus zk conjugate z inverse into 1 minus z inverse divide by z, that is inverse z k लिख लो या फिर divide by z k लिख लो, and 1 minus z inverse z conjugate k, and so on. And the cascade structure for the FIR system is like that. जब हम इसका एग्जाम्पल करेंगे वहाँ आपको क्लियर होगा. बेसिकली जो ओवरऑल HZ ट्रांसफर फंक्शन है उसको हमें 2 पार्ट्स में ब्रेक कर लेना और 3 पार्ट्स में, जिस तरह से क्वेश्चन में गिवन होगा. फर्दर इट इज H1Z, H2Z, H3Z एंड देन कंबाइन करके हमारे को टोटल HZ मिलेगा. नाउ कम टू द frequency sampling structure. The frequency sampling realization is an alternative structure for an FIR filter in which the parameter that characterize the filter are the values of the described desired frequency response instead of impulse response HN. So to derive the frequency sampling structure, we specify the desired frequency response at a set of equally spaced frequency, that is omega k, that is equals to 2 pi by m k plus alpha. K is equals to 0 1 up to m minus 1 for m is equals to odd, and k is equals to 0 1 up to m minus 1 for m is equals to even. See the difference, this is m minus 1 by 2 and this is m by 2 minus 1 when m is even, and alpha is 0 or 1 by 2. So the frequency response of the system is given by h omega is equals to summation n is equals to 0 m minus 1 hn e raised to power minus j omega n. So omega is equals to nothing k plus alpha, or you put the value of omega is equals to 2 pi by m into k plus alpha. Solve this derivation putting this value into the above equation. Here summation n is equals to 0 m minus 1 hn e raised to power j as it is. ओमेगा की वैल्यू पुट कर दी है 2 पाई इंटू के प्लस अल्फा अपॉन में कैपिटल एम और स्मॉल एन इज हेयर फॉर के इज इक्वल्स टू 0 1 अप टू एम माइनस 1 एंड एच एन इज इक्वल्स टू अगेन हमने टर्म्स को रीअरेंज कर लिया है. देन एच एन इधर ले आएंगे, एच के प्लस अल्फा इधर, then e raised to power exponential उधर चला गया तो negative term becomes the positive term. So 1 by m, rearrange the equation, k is equals to 0 and m minus 1 h k plus alpha e raised to power j 2 pi k plus alpha into n divided by m, that is n is equals to 0 1 up to m minus 1. Next is hz. This is the z transform of hn. This is z transform of hn. So hz is equals to n0 to m minus 1 hn z raised to power minus n. N is equals to 0 m minus 1 1 by m summation k is equals to 0 m minus 1 h k plus alpha e raised to power 2 pi j into k plus alpha into n upon में m into में z raised to power n. So hz is equals to rearrange this equation, summation बाहर ले लिया, ये टर्म अंदर चली गई, and rearrange this equation and you will get this structure. This structure, see, this is xn, from this that is a z raised to power m, that is again under this one z raised to power m block inverse. Now come to the adder and multiply by this e raised to power j2 pi alpha. So this is the e raised to power j pi 2 alpha. So from this we get the h alpha, h1 plus alpha, h2 plus alpha, and the same blocks adders within delays, and you will get h m minus 1 plus alpha, and you will get total yn. Now come to the lattice structure. In this section, we introduce another FIR structure system called the lattice filter or a lattice realization. Lattice filter are used in digital speech processing and in the implementation of adaptive filters. Let us begin with the development of considering a sequence of FIR filters with the system function. That is HMZ is equals to AMZ, where M is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to M minus 1. Basically, what do you mean by this AM? AMZ is a polynomial whose value is 1 plus में summation k is equals to 1 to M alpha M into k z raised to power minus k, M is greater than equals to 1 and A naught Z is equals to 1. The unit sample response of the mth filter is HM0, which is equals to 1, and HMK, that is equals to AMK, K is equals to 1 to up to M. The subscript M on the polynomial AMZ denotes the degree of polynomial, and for the mathematical calculation we define AM0 is equals to 1. If xn is an input sequence to the filter AMZ and yn is the output sequence, then you will get the equation is like that. Yn, that is output, which is equals to xn input plus में summation k is equals to 1 to m am k x raised to power n minus k. This is the input response of the filter when yn is the output and xn is the input sequence. Now consider the FIR filter for which m is equals to 2. M की value put कर देंगे. In this case, the output form a direct form structure, and that is equals to yn is equals to xn plus में alpha 2 1 into xn minus 1 plus alpha 2 into x and n minus 2. हमें जो ऊपर इक्वेशन थी FIR सिस्टम की उसमें m की वैल्यू 2 पुट कर दी है. Now cascading to lattice stage 1 and 2, and from the output from the second stage is F2 and G2, and you will get this correspondingly structure for the lattice, that is C. This is xn input goes into Z inverse, that is G naught n minus 1 adder, that is K1 and K1. Again this is G1n, you will get this G1n, and from this you will get the Fn multiply yn. When converting to the second stage, this is for the first stage and this is for the second stage, then you will get correspondingly yn, and xn goes in the Z inverse, that is delay part, G naught n. यहाँ से देखिए this is the equation, this is G naught n minus 1, तो G naught n minus 1 के लिए ये रहा delay, and then K1 and K2, and correspondingly you will get G2n and F1n and G1n. F2n is equals to xn plus में K1 xn minus 1 plus K2 K1 xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2, and the general form of the lattice structure for m stages is given. F naught n is equals to G naught n is equals to xn, Fm n is equals to Fm minus F minus 1 into n plus में Km Gm minus 1 into n minus 1, Gm n is equals to Km Fm minus 1 into n plus में same है in the different Fmg, and m is equals to 1 to up to m minus 1. जब हम इनका रियलाइजेशन देखते हैं, see how to solve the problems direct from C. This is your hz, the transfer function, 1 plus में 3z inverse plus में 2z की power minus 3 minus 4z की power minus 4. This is the transfer function using the FIR filter. Find out the structure. ये yz as it is, xz को इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, xz प्लस में 3z इनवर्स xz प्लस में 2z माइनस 3 xz माइनस 4z की पावर माइनस 4 xz. नाउ टेकिंग द z इनवर्स, xz का इनवर्स हो जाएगा xn, z इनवर्स xz का होता है xn माइनस 1, इसका होता है xn माइनस 3, इसका होता है xn माइनस 4. This is 1 unit delay, this is 2 unit delay, 3 unit delay, this is 4 unit. यहाँ मिसिंग है x और आएगा टर्म. नाउ जब हम रियलाइजेशन करते हैं तो हमें तीन चीजें पता है, दिस इज माई एडर, symbol of adder, this is my multiply and this is my delay block. This is the realization. देखिए स्टार्टिंग में सिंपल टेक xn, यहाँ से हमें मिला, फिर 1 यूनिट का डिले है, देन xn माइनस वन, xn माइनस वन का मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है 3 कोफिशिएंट से, तो इसलिए हमने वहां पर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है विद द वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 3. देन 2 यूनिट डिले के बाद हमारा कोई वो नहीं था, आफ्टर 3 डिले, तो 1 2 3, x n minus 3 multiply by 2 and that goes to an adder, then z inverse x n minus 4, 4 unit delay, and of minus 4 is a coefficient because gone in negative, because here we are considering the zeros only, no poles are there, negative 4 coefficient, and you will get the yn. Now come to the cascade method. Cascade method में कैसे solve करते हैं, hz is equals to 1 प्लस में 1 बाई 2 जेड इनवर्स प्लस में z की पावर माइनस 2 इंटू 1 प्लस में 1 बाई 4 जेड इनवर्स प्लस में z की पावर माइनस 2. In cascade realization we treat two separate system, that is h1z and h2z. h1z is one, हमने h2z को ब्रेक कर लिया टू पार्ट्स में, h1z and h2z, and h1z is 1 प्लस में 1 बाई 2 जेड इनवर्स प्लस में z की पावर माइनस 2, एंड h2z हो जाएगा 1 प्लस में 1 बाई 4 जेड इनवर्स प्लस में z की पावर माइनस 2. सो दिस इज योर h1z 1 as it is, z inverse with the coefficient of 1 by 2, and z की power minus 2 is a coefficient with 1, and you will get the wn, that is a dummy variable, and then realize h2z. h2z simple, there's a two powers of h2z having a z inverse 2, so there are two delays, h की पावर z की पावर माइनस वन वन, z की पावर माइनस वन 4 minus 1 by 4 multiply by 1 by 4 into z1, you will get the yn. So combine both the transfer function h1z and h2z and you will get hz. So take the output of yn of a dummy variable, connect with this, so h1z and h2z combined, you will get y of n. तो इस तरीके से हम FIR सिस्टम के अंदर कैस्केड और डायरेक्ट फॉर्म को रियलाइजेशन करते हैं उनकी. So student, up to this video I covered FIR filter and IR filter with example and their realization. Thank you students.